welcome to Burping Video Part 2 with our host, Cohen Rogers. Here he is. So he's the burping master.
No,
You're just yes you are. Yes you are. Oh yeah, but anybody knows. If you don't know, I got attacked by hornets all over my arm and stuff, and my whole right side of my body, close to my butt cheek. All right, and this is what he's gonna be doing today. He's gonna be saying some words and some sentences, and maybe even burping a couple words of the alphabet. So okay.
I have burped the whole alphabet. Don't make me do it again.
Okay, let's start off with your biggest burp ever. You just did it in the last. I know your biggest burp ever, but I accidentally messed up and it cut off earlier. So your biggest burp ever. Take your time on this if you need. Dang it. Dang.
Are you serious?
Did you hear that little burp?
You're like,
Okay. Oh, you did it. Okay. Next word. Last time you said Dominic pretty good, so say Dominic again.
okay.
Dominic.
Dang. Okay.
That was all of it.
Okay.
There was no extra. Last time
Okay.
was extra.
Yeah, it was. You said it was bold. You said it was like really cool. Okay. Next, dab.
Okay.
I mean, you have to burp dab.
It's gonna sound weird.
Okay.
Dab.
You sound like dad. Okay.
Dad.
Okay. Did y'all hear that Tennessee won against Georgia by the last 4 seconds? So can you burp Steelers? I mean, can you burp Tennessee? Or Volunteers? Or Vols? Vols, Tennessee, or Volunteers? Make it a surprise.
Tennessee.
Okay. All right, next, we're going to support my little doggy here, so say sugar. No, burp sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, so
She's like,
look at that dog.
she's like,
Oh my god, she's got a big fat butt. I'm just kidding. Okay, next word. We're gonna do this for like 2 more minutes because we want this to be like extra long. Okay.
I don't give a crap.
Okay, can you say
Doo-doo.
no? Can you say watermelon? Come on, you can do this.
Okay.
Watermelon.
I got a good old burp for you. Ah.
Oh, that was disgusting.
All right, if y'all like these burps,
like-
comment below, okay? So, okay, we're gonna do a couple more. Can you say?
Fardo.
Yeah, say Fardo.
Oh my God. I should have never said it.
Can you burp the word burp?
Burp.
That's easy because they're all like easy letters to spit out.
Burp.
Burp. See? Okay, can you burp? Okay, now a couple letters. Okay, can you burp? Can you say A B C D or burp the alphabet? Burp until you can't burp the alphabet anymore.
A, B, C.
You could do it. A B.
That's like so small.
All right, now for the final one.
Fardo.
Okay, could you say
T's.
Hornet.
Tractor.
Okay, can you say
Then I got stung by hornets.
say hornets?
Hornets.
Hornets.
Oh.
That's not how you say hornets. Say hornets. You gotta say hornets, mister.
Hornets.
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 Okay, thank y'all very much for watching part 2. We're gonna be putting up a part 3 maybe next week or so. Thank y'all very much and have a good